Hello everyone, in this video today I am going to show you how to create or make an online question paper using Google Forms. First you log in your Gmail account gmail.com and click Google Apps option. Then you will find Google Forms, click on it, click start a new form. This is an untitled form. Now we will make a question paper. Type question paper name, type question paper description, untitled question, type name. Here we will choose short answer. You can choose paragraphs, multiple choice, check boxes, drop downs and other option. Now we will choose short answer. If you on the record option, this is mandatory to fill this field. Okay, on this option, click plus icon, adding another question. Type rule, short answer, question required plus question name. Now we'll choose here check boxes. Click optional, add option, required, click plus option, we'll choose now we'll choose multiple choice. Multiple choice required, add question, so there paragraphs required. This is our form. Click preview option. This is the form name, role, multiple choice, and click send option. Now you can send this from email or you can create URL, short URL and copy and send this link every student. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment.